Namaste everyone. How are you all? Myself Ashish. Welcome back to Vinyasa Yogashala. Today we're gonna practice the pose Utkatasana. Okay. As you know, Utkatasana is very beneficial for our legs. It gives the strength to our legs, makes our ankles strong, remove the minor deformities of our legs. Like for an example, people having the flat feet who gives the weight one side more, like the outer side or the inner side in their feet, so it can remove that minor deformities as well as develop the muscles of your legs. It helps to remove the stiffness from your shoulders, bring the flexibility in your shoulders, make your back toned up, make your abdominal organs toned up. Okay, it helps to tone up your massage your abdominal organs as well as to gather the diaphragm. How it will be, you can see in the video. Okay, so now we will start our video. I will show you the video in two ways. Okay, the Utkatasana A and Utkatasana B. So both people, like beginner people as well as intermediate people, can practice this posture according to their need. Let's begin the practice. We have to stand on our mat. Okay, in the beginning we will first practice the Utkatasana A. Okay, so feet can be together, or according to your convenience you can separate your feet 2 inches, 5 inches, or maximum according to your hips width. Okay, not more than hips width, because if you make your feet too much wider, it can give pressure to your inner knees, which is not good for your knees. Okay, it can bring the pain and injuries to your legs. So better maximum you can keep your feet apart according to your hips width. Then from here, exhale, you can bend your knees. Knees will be go aligned with your toes. It will not go beyond the toes. Okay? You can say from the sideways. Exhale, bending your knees. Your hands is on the hips. Roll your shoulders back. Then from here, what you need to do, you need to find the balance. Exhale, slowly sitting downwards, you will find thighs are becoming strong and active. Okay, but do not lean too much forward. You have to leaning forward, but trying to resist yourself to fall forward. Trying to keep opening your chest and lengthen your spine, and then trying to sitting downwards according to your convenience. Remember there, when you feel there is no balance, stop there and you can take a step back to find the proper balance on your feet. Then after that, tuck your tailbone in, sitting down, chest open, and then slowly inhale, raise your arms upward as much as you can move them up. Keep tucking your tailbone in, separate your shoulder blades, and lengthen your spine. Make your spine straight as much as you can, sitting down according to your convenience. Keep lengthening your hips, those are going, sitting bones are tucked in, and then you keep lengthening, push the hips down, and arms are going in up towards to sky. There is a slanting way of your body happening. Okay, maintain this position according to your convenience, like 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or up to a minute is very good. Okay, these are optional timing according to our comfort zone. So this is staying for a while and trying to make your breath normal there. Okay, do not dropping your shoulders down, it can feel you tired. Okay, people, if you're finding too much tiredness on the shoulders, you can keep your hands front, you can just keep your hands down. Okay, then from here slowly inhale, come up, and exhale, release your arms down. So this is the Utkatasana A. Okay, now we'll talk about the Utkatasana B. Okay, so same process of the Utkatasana B as well. It becomes a little bit more challenging. It have to be done with feet together, or here maximum you can keep like 2 inches gap between the feet. But if you find it is still difficult and very challenging, then there is the last option to open your feet according to the hips width. Okay, so we will do it with the like maximum 2 inches different distance between the feet, and I'll show you this right now from the front ways, because I already showed you the side ways, so you can understand the pose. Grounding your feet, okay, pressing the knuckles and slowly resting your toes down. Take a deep breath in, exhale, hands on the waist, roll the shoulders back and slowly bend your knees. Okay, keep your knees closer. Inhale, exhale, going more down. Align your knees, your toes. Slowly inhale, raise your arms up. Keep lengthen your arms, your sides. Okay, again tuck your tailbone in, lengthen. Take an inhalation here and slower exhale, exhale, very slower going down, bringing your buttocks down and keep pulling your arms up. You do not have to be loose on yourself, okay? Keep every time resisting yourself to go upward, not falling down. Now you will see here, as much as you're sitting down, what happening? Our knees, make sure, remember, they are trying to gonna fall outward. Why? Because as much as you will shrink yourself, it will fall outward. So keep your knees together. You need to activating your inner thighs. Okay, inner thighs will help you to keep your knees together. So keep pressing your knuckles, your feet, knees will be go closer as much as they can, and then maintain this Utkatasana B. Separate your shoulders here, keep lifting your arms, buttocks going down, keep your knees closer. It will give you more development of your thighs, inner thighs. Keep open your chest. Same here, stay like 10 seconds, 15, 30 or up to a minute, as much as you can according to your convenience. Maintain here, breathe, exhale, slowly inhale. Remember, whenever you're coming back from a pose, be very careful. Very careful. Inhale and exhale. Release your arms down. Now from here, when you will done this pose, might be you can feel a little bit like fatigue in your legs. So for that, what you have to do, you have to separate your feet and you have to shake your legs. You can even massage your legs like this, or you can just give a gentle like this, pressing off your thighs, of your calves. So this will give you a very nice blood circulation to your legs, and you will feel very nice. Enjoy. Thank you.